What is data science? Data science is a field where we use mathematical theory and scientific computing in order to extract and extrapolate information from the structured and unstructured data. So I'll put this in simple words. So if there is a detective, he goes to the crime scene. What does he do? He collects the data, he do a lot of analysis and try to come to a conclusion on what actually happened at the crime scene and who might be involved in the crime. In the same way, data scientists also extract the information and they do a lot of statistical analysis and using the algorithms, and then finally come to a conclusion and predict the outcome. So what are the topics you learn in data science? So basically you learn descriptive statistics, you learn inferential statistics, you learn basic Python coding, and then you learn the statistical theories and machine learning code. And finally you will also learn the deep learning models. And apart from that, you will also learn SQL, that is structured query language, and you will also learn Tableau or Power BI. So what are the job opportunities in data science? There are a lot of job opportunities available for data scientists. Various businesses are using data science to improve their business. This include healthcare sector, pharma industry, finance sector, automobile sector, and much more. Since there is a data explosion that is happening, a lot of firms are planning to use data scientists to develop their businesses. Recently, Harvard Business Review has mentioned the data science job as the coolest job of 21st century. The average package of a fresh data scientist is high when compared to the other technology related jobs. Is data science a challenging course? I don't think data science is so tough, but at the same time, data science is not so easy. You need to put a considerable amount of effort to learn the theory, and you need to do some good practice in order to gain mastery over the data science subject.